Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, let's take a peek what's happening outside right now. We've got some drier conditions in some spots. We've got some rain coming down in others, and that's basically a cold front. Actual cold front made it through the Pacific high, which is generally doesn't happen this time of year. They kind of get blown to pieces as they try to work their way across the Pacific. However, this one has tried to make it on through. Now, how much of that actually hits the ground? Still in question. In fact, most of it will likely be out to the coast. Newport up to the north coast, getting some reports about 0.06 of an inch so far that's been reported towards Astoria. Clouds are thickening up as you get across parts of the Willamette Valley here, and you see a little batch of rain trying to make its way over and towards some of the eastern foothills there of the Coast Range. So light sprinkles tonight is probably what I'm going to forecast for most of the Willamette Valley, but this is our first good chance of rain that we've seen pretty much most of the summer. There's the low itself, counterclockwise swirl around that. Good looking front, at least the tail end of that anyway. We'll try to swing on through. How much of that rain actually can fall? Again, still to be determined. I don't think it'll be much. Otherwise, we'll see things continue to stay relatively warm for most of the afternoon, for the rest of the afternoon, I should say. Clouds will obviously cool things off just a bit, but check out some of the temperatures today. 87 again in Eugene, 90 out in Bend, 93 in Roseburg and Medford, 85 Corvallis and Portland, and even out towards the coast. Newport in the low 70s. Don't see that often. Upper 70s in North Bend and just under the 100-degree mark as you get out towards Ontario, upper 70 or upper 80s. It is down towards Klamath Falls and Lakeview. So sprinkles for the valley tonight. We'll keep the clouds around for most of the night too. And so again, winds generally light out of the south and southwest. We'll keep kind of a muggy, humid forecast for us all. Right now, we're sitting in the mid to upper 70s, still mid 80s down in Roseburg, mid 80s also in Bend, and that rain slowly trying to make its way across Newport down towards Florence. Light sprinkles at first, then we'll see some little heavier showers as this pushes through. Now the low itself is actually going to push northward, going with the jet stream. Jet stream is going all the way up into western Canada. So as that continues to head north, we'll get a little bit of push of some cooler air behind that, but it won't be much. And in fact, it will likely just shave off a couple of degrees over the next couple of days. You can see by tomorrow morning, precision cast still keeping most of what will try to make it to the ground out along the coast as that front swings through by late tomorrow afternoon, pretty much falls apart. Now we will get with the southerly winds a chance for some thunderstorms in the mountains and around Bend and Redmond tomorrow. Most of the next batch that we'll try to slide through also going to be pushing up into Washington. So I'll go with an isolated morning shower at the coast. Coast will likely continue to keep temperatures warm tomorrow and then slowly cooling back into the mid 60s by Friday and Saturday. But that's when we'll start to see more sunshine move through by next week as well. Mostly sunny skies in the Umpqua tomorrow, still smoky. May get a slight sprinkle late night tonight, but I don't think it'll be much. And then by next week, high pressure is in control, and that puts us back into the 90s. Cascades will be mostly sunny in upper 60s to low 70s tomorrow. Mostly sunny and another warm one out in Bend and Redmond. Do think we'll see some strong thunderstorms on Friday and possibly again by Saturday before drying out, warming up as we head into next week. And the valley will be around 81 to 83 degrees tomorrow. A little cooler as we head in towards Saturday's forecast, but I think tomorrow, the next 2 days, we'll kind of see what we're seeing out there now, guys. Some clouds, mix of sunshine as well, and then as we go into the weekend, that old sunshine, wow, starts to try to move back.
Got it out. Got it. All right.
That almost turned ugly.
It's okay. They want 80 for the music festival.
I think
and sunny, so just get that right.
Yeah.